vlog Kurdistan tuning fashion. So today I'm gonna be reacting to Kurdish TikToks. It has been a minute since I do TikToks, and it's always funny because I make new friends and I find very interesting people. So let's go and watch some of your famous Kurdish TikTokers, okay? Let's go. Oh my gosh, I know him. That's Nava. I love him. He's so amazing. Like, I have a big crush on Nava. He's amazing. I like Nava. Oh, who is this? I cannot. Okay, who is this TikTok? I need to know because I can see it. It's too like the quality is bad. His hair. I'm telling you, like all of these Kurdish guys, they're all like super clean cut, and their hair is very important in Kurdistan. It's always nice. That's something like something that I see. If I see somebody on the street, I'll be like, oh, he must be from Kurdistan because the hair is just perfect. Who are they? Oh, that's Naba. Okay, Eminem, calm down. Oh my gosh, he has a tattoo on his arm. That little girl. You see? It's just like all the guys are on point. Wow. This is a bad video. I shouldn't be making this video. Oh wow. Oh yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh. You see, like all of them, it's like super. Like I just don't understand how, but it's all of them. All of them Kurdish boys are like single, like single. Who is this? Oh yeah, I know that song. Oh yeah, that's Naba, honey. I know him, okay? Okay, whatever. Oh, this is the same one. Who is this? Admit Fitness? Admit Films? Da. Yes. So that is yes. Oh, that was nice. Oh yes, that's Naba. Oh, I know him. Dados. The Avengers. Okay. Well, there you go. I don't want to make these videos too long. 5 minutes, it's good. So I don't bore you. If you guys want me to review a TikTok, let me know in the comments below the name so I can look it up and I can make like one video of it. Okay? So love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay? Bye.